nice decent bounce from this dip at the 3-minute J lines. So what I have over here at the open personally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 stocks, 8 stocks on the big cap land. Remember, traders, today we have the webinar. Okay. So we're gonna cover indicators, we're gonna cover charts, okay, setups. We'll do these often, so it's good for beginners, but also for advanced traders. Thank you again, thank you, buddy.
Hi, Joel.
So this dip into the 3-minute J lines means that we have buyers over here, okay? So what I'm doing right now, I'm looking at the levels on Bookmap. I'm looking at the levels of the golden zone, which is at 33.50, and I'm looking at the J lines. So the blue, actually aqua over here, is the 1-minute J lines. Then we have the 3-minute J lines, the 5-minute J lines. So when all these are uptrending, means we have a strong stock. A strong stock, I cannot short it like this. I need to short it or a pop and fill, or if we reject the J lines. So with a very tight risk, because that pre-market high and those J lines give me a low risk entry. Okay. And for long, I cannot long into a resistance. I need a break, dip, and push. Thank you, Vancy. We have very few information over here on IXXL. button, I exit zone. So food to my main one this morning, okay? I'm really gonna be on this, but I will be very active. So again, don't use the room as a alert room, okay? This is not an alert room. This is a room where you learn how to trade. So learn the setups, learn the tape reading, learn how to make the plan, look how to read the order flow, learn the patterns. Because everything that we are trading right now is based on patterns. I mean, just this over here, just yesterday, okay? And I was with few guys. I think was with I was with Trader Patron, and I was with few others, and I explained them how to buy each dip over here, how to really start buying this perfect dip, this perfect dip, this perfect dip, and we cover all this. Okay, so these are the best moves that I'm looking at. And I have over here a 1 minute and a 5 minute chart. It's really not important which one you trade. They're both with the J lines. So after we'll review in the webinar. But my suggestion is to keep more than one chart, okay, to see what's happening on the bigger time frame or on the lower time frame, depends what you use. Yes, it's still okay, buddy. It's still okay. We need that crack, absolutely, but it's still okay.
He has Futu, he has Agri, but it's kind of dying. That's his only small cap. He has Nvidia. Um, yeah.
10 minutes to go. We still have time over here. I don't see any other gappers. Small bounce over here in AMD. Small bounce on Tesla. They're just bouncing from that 5-minute J lines. Netflix almost no prints. Akan pushing traders.
Mugen.
As they remember.
Yes. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Thank you, Keon. Thank you, buddy. Good morning, Mike.
Mm-hmm. Mugen, you didn't short this in the pre-market? Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's yeah. Yeah, I get you now. Mm-hmm.
Okay, food to ready traders. They're below J lines. Let's see if we can have that pop and fill the gate. I put bookmap up so you can see it over here.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Thank you, Mugen. Yeah. Um.
Okay, Eric, alert if you see them.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, also.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So I'm watching Can Traders.
Mm-hmm.
They have 100 million share
All right.
repurchase
Thank you
program.
again for the advice.
We're talking about a 150 million float. Working capital 20
Yeah.
billion
You're
and
free.
cash 17 billion. So they're highly profitable.
All right.
Careful on Can.
Yes. Thank you. Good luck to you.
Yeah.
Dip over here on the majority of the big caps. So Tesla's dipping. I just bought a little bit over here on Tesla. Took a starter with a 805 risk. Tesla, buddy. Tesla. We got some at 807.50. Looking for a fast bounce. No problem. Selling partial right now at 810. So just bought some into that wash because we have hourly J-lines, okay? That's the main point. So 10 seconds to open. Okay, open over here. Okay, selling more over here on Tesla. Shorting some on Facebook over here. Covering Facebook over here, parts on the dip. Push on Pitten. Push on Facebook. Foot to bouncing traders. Bought some this dip on Nvidia. No, definitely not one simple. Thank you guys on Dada. So big push over here on Dada. So waiting market direction, only scalping over here at the gate. Can pop and fail, so that's a gap and extension play, exactly. Tesla washing over here. So starting to look traders, as we said, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Facebook, for pop and fail and Jalen rejections. Took a big one on that Facebook. That was simply too fast.
Yeah.
Well done, Carford. Selling more on Nvidia. Well done, Charlie. Pop and fail, beautiful. W and W push 115. So market is bouncing, traders. And foot is the 5 minute J line. So we can have a bounce over here. Apple at the main support 200 bouncing.
Um, all my picks didn't really give a bounce, so yeah, they just died. So no trades.
Futu unwinding, so not stopping the move.
Dang.
Big wash on Futu.
That's
So
tough.
watching over here the tape to scalp it.
Wouldn't be kind of sus if it curled to 5 minute J lines like that.
So Tesla traders, we are at the J lines. We bounce from the pre-market low. I'm showing
Yeah.
over here A16. First main setup of the day. So Tesla,
If it takes its
Short.
time,
J line rejection for intraday.
it'll be a
A16.
thing after 9:45 though, and that's not as good because it might
19.
curl again.
B810 and
Like
lower.
it'll curl up,
Curling
consolidate, like what happened with MULN yesterday. Cause it's only in like the
Up
first
one
like
block over here.
15 minutes.
Okay. Now risking break even. Out A15 partial on Tesla, risking break even. I will show you my charts, what I did. Out all the rest on Tesla. Kill the victims.
Cause I have a thicker swim too, and yeah, it's 280. So like it's thicker swims. I I think it's different. Yeah, the program. Yeah, I'm curious why it's different.
Okay, traders. Time to start showing what I did
Yeah,
over
my
here.
my
Traded
toss
5
is
stocks,
280 as well.
no losses, but you'll see what I'm talking about. This is fast trading. And pretty sick, pretty sick. Already 5 figures over here. So Futu, I didn't do like Charlie, I bought the dip. So support tape reading, killed it. Charlie did much better than me. Then over here, Tesla. I missed the J-line rejection, and basically I took Tesla over here, long and short, 2 wins. Then I took over here Facebook. In Facebook, I'm still in. I recycled so much, only short over here. So Facebook, all short. Killed it. Big position on Facebook. Big position. I'm holding over here. What else? Um, AMD, Nvidia over here as well. So I don't know if I already posted Nvidia, but I took long, Nvidia long, and sold it. All wins. All wins. W and W push. Okay, so did a little bit of trading today on big caps. 5 figures done, and we
I'll
are
show
10
you
minutes
mine as
in the
well.
game. Now, what you have to look for is trend. Then look too short. J lines, 90 MA in downtrend, nothing else. Okay, nothing else. I'm still holding Facebook, and I'm still holding Futu with the stop break even. Bookmap is my game at the gate. So without Bookmap, I cannot do and replicate this. Out everything over here for me, Futu. And Facebook, I have my average 196, so almost to the break even. Ken, amazing Carfit. So that's a gap and extension play by Carfit. Misspelled over here. Okay. Carl Fred.
Mm-hmm.
So this is Robert Magalhaen. After halt. So remember after halt.
Right?
Yeah. I took the borrows too early
Yeah, good.
on Agri. Should have waited for it to actually pop.
Nice guys, nice. Nice.
Oh wait, there's a J-Lines
Now
rejection
stop
on
whittling
Poly.
your tail and get back to work. We still
Yeah,
have more.
it just suddenly popped for 200K. Let's see the volume.
Push over here in NVIDIA. No trend, guys. Careful, okay? If you see over here in NVIDIA, I was looking for this main unwind. Now it's pushing back to the J-line. So let's say new highs on yes. Poly push.
The fuck?
Some push. Okay, looking for a J-line rejection in AMD. Sorry, NVIDIA. Pardon, NVIDIA.
Yeah, I
Jumping
feel you.
short over here, risking 50 cents on NVIDIA.
I've
So 235.
I'm not sure
J-line rejection,
cause my
NVIDIA,
1 minute
risking 50 cents.
1000 EMA on Trade Zero is different than my 5 minute
Careful
200
because it's
on
pushing
TOS.
the CS.
So like I don't know if it actually touched it. It's weird.
I'm risking break even now, 235. Scratch out NVIDIA. So NVIDIA out as we have.
Yeah, mine's
yes,
is
strong,
like
okay, I don't wanna get
1
caught in yes.
w-
That's the reason why I got
1.3
out.
cents per thing.
Right. Clear. Sorry. Push on Poly. So scratch for me is this. When you basically short and cover on that J-line rejection, this is NVIDIA, just to show you, you need to be very quick. The idea was good, shorting the J-line rejection here, right? The idea was good, but I saw ES strong, boom, out. Okay, so this is a big trading tip that I give you. Yes, strong, equal, no holding, big cap, short. Thank you, buddy. I'm not trading Akan. Personally,
But Polly,
Akan,
like,
I don't trade
it's only like
IPO
400k.
Akan short. I
That's
absolutely
not.
don't do it.
I
I
think
don't have any reference on the chart over here.
I don't know actually. Like maybe Golden Zone would be good.
Also, I know that tennis. Thank you, Kate. Also, I know
But
that
it's
tennis
9:45.
was on this one, so I'll
Yeah,
let him
but
have
like
fun.
this is not an A plus, so like yeah, I'm doing the checklist. I'm gonna do the check.
Okay. Uh, Nvidia starting to make a first possible rejection. Careful though. Yes, it's still strong. Okay. Good morning up till now. Good morning. So the lead one here, and one that will confirm with this, like this.
Mm-hmm.
Plus we have the confirmation of these two.
Yeah.
Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Vancy, for the alert this morning, guys. Thank you, Layman. I missed the data. Hope you took it and smashed it. Hope you smashed it. So no project over here to trade a tail on rejection. Market is reversing. So big caps reversal. Yeah, I don't want to trade that, buddy. I mean, I can. If we have maybe dips into the 90 MA, but over here I'm not trading it. Bali is coming up. Nice job, buddy. Nice job. Bali is coming up, traders. I'm looking for 160.
Jay's gonna short it at 160, or
Yeah.
he's looking for it at least.
I'm looking for 230.
Yeah, Polly, my bad.
So 160 on Bali, two short,
Mm-hmm.
230 on Arab, two short, or anything like this which has or high volume dips, 98. Okay, let's go. Okay.
Like they're not that expensive for me, but like I took some on Agri already. So if I took two barrels for two stocks, it becomes expensive. You know what I mean? Yeah, yeah, definitely. I don't know. Like this might. This is not a A plus. This is like B. So yeah, it's more of an extension. Yeah.
I shorted Futu right here. 5 minutes in a rejection. So shorted Futu 32. And risking 15, 20 cents the most, okay? I need the stock to stay below the 32 over here.
Oh, can? Oh man, I didn't see this. Uh, yeah.
Breaks 32, I'm out. Out immediately. Tight, super tight scratch. Thank you, Jay. Update me if you see that. So if now Futu Trader has a heat map, I'm gonna short, okay? So you know my plan. Trying to get a field around 32.50 on Futu short. Okay, got it. Cover partial over here if I can get 30 cents. Risking just that 32.50, that heat map. So trying to short on the pops, covering into the dips. It's okay.
Where are you gonna short on can like the pre-market high, or
Okay, finally paying Futu. All right, so VWAP projection now holding. Wanna see more unwind on Futu to the, there we are, covering more 32, that's it, another biggie. So we had a short over here, a break even, and then a short over here, okay? So this over here. So short, long scratch, short, holding half, short here. This is Futu. So using pre-market, open level, actually, sorry, open level. Using VWAP, using J lines, using bookmap. No trend right, no trend. So I'm just scalping around the, let's say, around the book, around the heat maps over here. When I saw this big heat map at 33, I got filled over here at the top 32.75. You see it? Okay, all out now. Yeah, the point is that Can is a big cap company, if I remember correctly.
Mm. Okay.
Khan is coming up to the pre-market high.
No, small cap, sorry, small cap,
Oh, it is.
small cap, yes. Okay, trader, I'm looking at Can over here. It's easy, even easy to borrow. So Vancy will be happy.
He's cheap. He's cheap.
So pre-market high over here. Let's put also on bookmap Can. Let's put it up, traders. Now big volume on food too.
Yeah, right.
Yes, when it's below pre-market low, I can take a feel over here, but I always prefer this. And I'm looking for that heat map resistance at 450. So I'm looking for 450 over here for an extension play to the pre-market high, extension play setup to pre-market high on Can traders, okay? That was perfect. But you see, you have to always get entry because it went up a little bit.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Anybody watching Can? Okay, remember it's an extension to the pre-market high.
It's
450 level over here. Let it go, let it
Yeah,
go, let
yeah.
it go. So this would
Mm.
ideally be still.
I know.
Over here, still nothing that confirms.
Mm.
All right, so let's look at Can.
Um, I think it's holding. I didn't short it. Mm-hmm.
Futu, possible Dana rejection traders. If you have heat map, Futu could be good.
But I feel like this was a grinder. You you know what I mean? Like it's not a fast like reject.
Thank you, Irvin. I'm an idiot traders because my long average was 810 on Tesla. This morning on the dip, I sold what I had yesterday and 2 days.
Yeah, I feel you.
Ah, that's nice. That's a nice call.
No,
I,
cause
I
like
like that you trade
no,
those
cause
big
like we
dollar
saw
calls.
the tape was
Finally.
red, right? But like it just like it looked like it was about to like drop, but but like it just held.
Let it go for 80 or 550 on can. Don't trade it over here front side, okay?
Mm.
Navier doesn't want. Nvidia pushing, Tesla pushing. Can on a 5 minutes is making higher lows. Navier. Still empty. Yeah, it's going up.
Right.
Could be coming down a little bit. Poly unwinding over here. I'm being conservative right now. I didn't take any more Nvidia, Tesla, Apple position. See, work good. That does work well.
Yeah, yeah, I feel you. Yeah. Yeah, and no, cause I get why you shorted, cause like, y- mm, and it's also like the volume was not that good. That's one, like thing off the checklist. But the other was it's like after 10 a.m. But like I don't know if you still like care about that rule. Okay, yeah. And also it's not a small cap. Mm-hmm. So here it makes sense that I did the pop and fill at the open, but if it grinds back up like this, I, yeah. Joel, did you watch last week's mentoring meeting? Cause Toptic talked about the the J-line rejection and how there's like two versions, right? There's one where it's like really trappy, like it'll actually go over the J lines, and then you have to short like a yeah, yeah. You watched it? Okay, yeah. Um, I think I have the recording. I can send it to you. I'll put it. Uh, I'll get it now. Oh, okay. Do you still want me to send it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's like the clean one, and then there's the.
I see. Mm-hmm.
So as you see, traders, it's a little bit lateral. Therefore, I'm not trading still. Tesla is inside this pre-market range. Okay, so Tesla inside range, no trade. Uh, we had a big momentum in the gate. Facebook inside the range. Apple the same over here, and we have Nvidia again. Nvidia is the one that is I'm trending the best over here, but the point is, yes, is down. So careful trading NVIDIA. Thank you, buddy. Right, so 5 minutes to start with bookmark. Again, traders,
Yeah.
remember what we said before. And today also we have the webinar at 2 p.m. East, all right? Hope you will be there. Yes, yes, of course. So this morning, pre-market plan, I will upload it on YouTube after, but the webinars are only for the room subscribers, okay? Only, so please don't share them because that's private content for the room, okay? Okay, trader, so 5 minutes to connect to Bookmap. See you in about hour, okay? So I will update if I have new sets. Thank you for the morning. Pretty good morning. I cannot complain. Hope you took like some good trades, repeat, study, retrade, okay? And careful traders for really traders out there that they have 6 months experience and they want to sell you courses, which instead they are like making $50 per day. So careful very much because there are some scammers over here. I heard from members reaching out.
Recording.
You know what? Isn't this actually like cuz usually when Jay trades big caps, he waits for pre-market range and now it's above the pre-market high, so it's like a long now if it curls. China stocks, the new hot sector after oil. Actually, gotta put them all on a list now to see just in case. Yeah. Mhm. That's crazy. KC. I wonder who's buying it. To be honest. Ooh. Yeah. It's weird. There's sellers on the tape, but it's just like it's just coming up more and more. Yeah, that's the thing. Like earlier at the pre-market high, like the tape was all red, but it didn't come down, which is one of the checklist things. HYY. Yeah, most of the China stocks are coming up. Mhm. All right. I'm gonna take a break. I'm probably just gonna study after. Um, didn't take any trades. Yeah, DL sucked for sure. Oh yeah, for sure. The thing about um the tape, because I remember you saying about the thing with Joel, like the candles, the tape going fast. Tape has to be fast. 2/3 green, thirds green. Because I know some stuff about tape reading, because I know there's like hidden weak, hidden strong, and like all kinds of called soaking, refilling. See, soaking, refilling, spoofing. Let's see, 2/3 green for long. Two spoofing is like, cause it's easier to see on bookmap, but like someone will flash orders and they might fill some of them, but like then they just like take it away. Or like they just put it there to make it seem like their intention is to, like spoofing support to make it go up, but then they just take it away. What's that? Um, I think it depends, to be honest. Um, really? Oh man. Cause like I feel like you can't really see it. Like you can see it on level 2, but it's easier on bookmap. Mhm. Um, soaking, refilling, spoofing. Um, for for it to be bullish, you need to be 2/3. Like the speed has to be fast, and it's 2/3 green. Um, selling is or bearish is the opposite. 2/3 red, 2/3. I think I saw it from Jay. I'm not sure. Yeah, yeah. I think it's from Jay. But like now, there's also like the algos or the inside. Like stairways to heaven. Stairways to heaven. Um, the thing about oh hi Flo. We're going over the tape for the checklist. Um, the thing Joel said about like how young the candle is or how old it is, like the time, like if it just like opened and it's like like it just flashed up and then went down, but because like the candle is like when it opened it's too early, like there's a long time until it closes, it can still trap you. um Actually, yeah, true. How young the candle is. Yeah. um uh so like on Agri, when we were watching it, how they were holding key levels, like even though it was selling, it was holding key levels, like how it's holding dips, holding dips. No, it's fine. Holding, like how is holding dips, because like honestly for short sellers it's like, when you took the short on Khan, like yeah, it didn't like have a red candle, but aren't you trying to get like the best fill usually, and like it. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah. 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 That's true. That's true. Actually, now that I think about it, most of the losses from the pre-market high stuffs is like I'm not in the money, but like I'm break even, and then it just holds sideways, and I'm like, oh, what is it gonna do? What is it gonna do? And then it just suddenly jumps up. Yeah. Um, it's the fast rejection. No, but it's hard because cause cause on some of the more volatile stocks, cause Jay always usually, cause I see him shorting mostly like the pops, right? And that's why I feel like shorting on an actual like red candle, like at like on confirmation of a red candle is like you're kind of chasing it. Like I'm probably wrong on that, but I don't know if you get me. Cause I see Jay like when I see him trade, I mostly think that he's trying to not top tick, but like he he's trying to get the most like the highest as he can, right? Like like I don't know how to explain it. Like I think he okay, so he will short as high as he can, but I think it's on lower size for small caps. Yeah. 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 Mm. Okay, cause like let's say it's the gap down day two and it's going into the 5 minute J lines. Do you short the first red candle as it rejects the 5 minute J lines, or do you short it as it goes into it? Yeah. Okay. Oh. So I think that's what I did on MULN yesterday, cause I saw like one red candle, but like it just held, and I didn't get out. So, cause like I could have gotten out break even, but I held it because I thought it could go either way, and then I had to get out. Oh yeah, yeah. That was a really good example. Yeah, but but the thing is cause like on the tape, for it to become a red candle, like it obviously has to print red, like red orders, right? But how do you and but like if okay, so like let's say this actually like rejected for like a J-Lines rejection. No, it's good. It's good. Because like sometimes it's hard for me to like convey what I mean as well. It's hard for me to explain. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.